Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another exciting vocabulary lesson. This week's is Unit 3, Week 5, and the story this week is called Me and Uncle Romy. Please get your notebooks ready so that you can copy down the vocabulary words and have them ready to make your word squares. The first word this week is skyscrapers. Skyscrapers are very tall buildings. The first skyscrapers were built in New York City and Chicago. Think about a time when you have seen skyscrapers. Where were you? Next word is collage. A collage is made from many small pieces put together to form a picture. We cut pictures from old greeting cards to make a holiday collage. This is an activity that some kids do at school or at home for fun. Barbecue. If you eat a meal that has been prepared on a grill, you are eating barbecue. We ate chicken and shrimp barbecue. What is your favorite thing to eat from a barbecue? Yum. Our next word is glorious. Something that is glorious is full of beauty and wonder. The maple leaves are glorious in the fall. Mrs. Lundy looks glorious when I get to school. What would an antonym be for the word glorious? Strutting. Someone who is strutting is walking proudly, often in an exaggerated manner. The rooster has been strutting around the chicken coop. Think about a time when you've seen somebody strutting. Our last word this week is swarms. When there are swarms of something, there are many together in a group. We ran into the swarms of bees that we had accidentally stirred up. How are swarms similar to and different from herds? Think about that. Once you have all these words recorded in your notebook, you can go up and get the white vocabulary sheet to complete the activity and your word squares for this week.